Hi, this is Phalla from khmertutor.com. This lesson I will teach you Sera and Sera. Before watching this lesson, I already expect you learn how does the vowel goes with the right consonant and produce different sound. If you don't know and you want me to make a lesson just like that, let me know in the comment below, okay? And don't forget like and subscribe to my channel to get more lessons just like this. Enough talking, let's start the lesson. The first vowel you learn today is Sera. Sera has a long sound. Repeat after me. Sera. Good. And now practice saying it 3 times. Good. Here are some examples. Kla, ta, aha, ka, kacha, ta sa, chol chat, kaila. And here is the tip for you. Sera would go with the all sound series consonant and Sera go with the all sound series consonant. Okay? Remember that? Let's continue our lesson. The second vowel for today is Sera. Now repeat after me. Sera. Sera. Ear. Sera. Now practice say it. Good. And here are some examples. Tia, lear, weir, chia, miền, pu kia, miền càng nghĩa, chia tia hiền. And now practice saying these words. So the words are so, sa, to, ta, mo, mia, cho, chia, po, pu, cho, chia, pu chia, to, tia, wo, weir, ho, ha, tho, tha. Good. Pu, chia, cá, pía, tà, kia. Pu, chia, cá, pía, tà, kia. Good. Now you learn Sera and Sera. Right? Thank you for watching. And don't forget like and subscribe. And give a comment if you have any thought. And see you next lesson. Bye.